As we saw in the previous lab activity that there were different authentication methods that were presented to Alex. So as a user, Alex can choose a call to phone where an automated voice just calls the person, the user answers the call and then presses the hash button on the keyboard to authenticate. The next option which we selected is text message to phone. This is where a text message will be sent that contains a verification code. The user is prompted to enter the verification code into the sign-in interface. This process is also called as one-way SMS. The next option is notification through a mobile app, where a push notification on the phone on the registered device is sent, and the user views the notification and selects Approve to complete the verification. So there's a Microsoft Authenticator app available for your Windows Phone, Android, as well as for iOS. So push notifications through mobile app provides the best user experience. And there's another option which is verification code from the mobile app. The same Authenticator app generates a new OAuth verification code every 30 seconds. The user then has to enter the verification code into the sign-in interface. Keep in mind that if you have no cellular connectivity and there is no internet, you can still use this method because the verification code on the mobile app works on algorithm and not based on the internet. So user has an array of options to choose from as far as the authentication methods are concerned. So when user like Alex selects a particular authentication mode, that is updated here in this interface. So as an admin, you will be able to see what authentication method Alex has selected. But you may be thinking, what if Alex loses his device or loses his mobile phone, maybe lost it under the couch or something? Then what do you do? Well, when Alex calls the help desk, what help desk can do is just go ahead and click on this option which is require re-register MFA. So when Alex tries to log in, he can change the authentication method. So then Alex will change it to a new number or change it to a push notification. It all depends on what he wants to do. But this little button here which says require re-register MFA will enforce Alex to go ahead and re-register the MFA with the new authentication option. Okay. Alternatively, if the end user has a lot of problem navigating to the interface and setting up their own MFA, then you can type in or punch in the phone numbers manually or email address manually here, and this is just for additional user assistance.